welcome back to my channel, Tasty Meal by Stacy. Today we are making a Chocoflan. It is holidays time and we are in for sweet. So especially something so delicious like a Chocoflan. I mean, we all like chocolate and flan is awesome. Wow, when they come together, then that is beautiful. So before I move on, the first thing I'm gonna do is make the caramel for the flan. So this is a cup of sugar. I already have the skillet nice and hot, so I'm going to bring it up to medium and I'm going to go ahead and put this in. Okay guys, so now that we are doing the caramel, we're just going to leave it alone. The sugar is going to start very soon melting, and that's when I'm going to go ahead, take this spatula and kind of make sure that it's all over the way it should be. Well, the sugar is doing its thing, so I'm going to go ahead and put the flan together. So we have here 8 ounces of cream cheese. This is a 12 ounces evaporate milk. We have here a 14 ounces condensed milk. We want to get it all. So let's go ahead and get in with a spatula or the spoon and make sure we get it all. That's perfect. That's perfect. We have 5 eggs. And we just want to use that as a trash can. Why not? Whatever works. This is going to be so delicious. We have vanilla extract. So I'm going to be doing about a teaspoon. And I'm also going to put a little ground cinnamon. The cinnamon with sugar. So this is about a teaspoon as well. I love cinnamon. That's it. Now that we put it together, we're going to go ahead and blend it. Okay, let me move the sugar off the burner, and now I'm going to do this first. Guys, we're going to be using this today. This is the baking pan I'm going to be using today. It's one of those silicone one. It's the first time I'm going to be using it, so I'm excited about it. And here's the caramel, so I'm ready to pour it in. There you go. You spread it around. Want to make sure we get it all in the bottom. So cool. It looks so good. This is just perfect the way it should look. So we just let it sit for a minute until it gets nice and cold. We don't want to pour nothing into this into the caramel. Is nice and set on place. I'm gonna go ahead and start pouring the flan. Wow, that looks good. It smells so beautiful. If you see some sugar like this right there, that's fine. Right now, we can actually take it off, and you can actually leave it. Once it melts, it's going to go ahead and kind of blend with everything, but I will just take it. That's it. All done. I'm going to go ahead and cover this because we are going to put it in the oven. We're going to need a bigger pan so that we can put it inside. Nice and deep. You remember you want to put water up to about half of the baking pan that you are using to make the flan. We're going to go ahead and put the hot water into the cooking pan. Nice. We go in the corner. Very careful. Just be careful. It's hot. The same with the sugar. When you do the caramel with the sugar, we have to be very careful because it can do some damage to your skin if you get any little drop of it anywhere. So let's just keep that in mind to be very careful. That's about all the water that I need for this one right now, and that's nice and hot. You can see the steam. So now I'm going to put it in the oven. It's been preheating. It's all set on 370. I'm going to put this flan in the oven for about 30 minutes. And the flan is about 2 minutes away from the 30 minutes that I put it in. So that's why right now we're going to go ahead and put the mixture of the cake together. So right now what I'm gonna do is the box say to use a cup of water, but because I want it to be even richer than in bitter taste, I'm gonna do milk. I love it with milk. Another thing that I like to do is it's say half a cup of vegetable oil. I actually do a quarter cup of vegetable oil and a quarter cup of melted butter. So let's make sure that we have half a cup right here. It's perfect. And then we just put it in. I like to do it like that, a quarter cup of melted butter and a quarter cup of vegetable oil, because the flavor is just phenomenal. You guys should try it like that, or just do it with butter instead of using oil. It comes out so good and nice and soft and moist. I love it. Now we put 3 eggs. This I know everybody know how to make because the boxes will tell you what to do, but just using your own little trick and your own little flavors like I'm doing with the butter and also the milk. One more thing that I'm gonna do is enhance the flavor with a little cinnamon. So I'm just gonna sprinkle a little cinnamon, and that's because I like cinnamon on my holidays baking. So we're gonna go ahead and mix it together. They said to do it by hand about 2 minutes, but if we have an electrical one, like this, we can just do 1 minute. Okay, this is the moment of truth. Let's see how the flan is looking. Oh, that looks awesome. We're gonna go ahead and pour the cake mixture on top. Just go around. Oh, it looks so good. Very, very beautiful. I just gonna smooth it down a little. Make sure it's even all around. That looks very good. So now we're gonna go ahead and put it back in the water. So now it's gonna go back in the oven for 45 minutes. And let's see how beautiful it's gonna come. Okay guys, I just got the cake out of the oven. I'm gonna go ahead. I already tried it while it was inside the oven. You guys know what we say. We put a stick, a little toothpicks or stick, little stick like this, and if it comes out clean, it's all set. You guys can see how well it came out, so that's perfect. I'm gonna let it sit. I'm gonna get it out of the water. I'm gonna let it sit for about 30 minutes to 40 before we turn the cake, because we don't want to do it right now because it's gonna break. It's hot. We have to let it sit. We don't want that to crack or break, you know, and that's not gonna, yeah, that will ruin the whole process. Well, here we are. It's been 35 minutes since I got the Chocoflan out of the oven, and it feels very good. One thing that I like about this silicone baking pan nowadays, it's that, you know, it's so much easier to get things out, and I actually can see both colors from here. That's perfect. I like this. I think this is going to be my best friend to make cakes in flan or anything from now on. So let's go ahead and let the magic happen. Oh my God, I'm so excited. We have to be very careful now, because now this is moving. Okay, I may have some syrup maybe dripping, so let's see. Hopefully not, because the plastic. You know what, I'm gonna get a bigger plate. Yes, I like the red, but I'm getting a bigger plate. Guys, let's go ahead and do it. I got a bigger plate because I was afraid that that plate was too small, because I have to really hold the silicone together here. Are we ready? Are you guys ready? Okay, let's do it. Boom, done. That's all I needed. Oh my God, I'm so excited. Let's see, let's see. Oh, that's awesome. Wow, wow, that looks good. Let's get it closer. Look at that, guys. Oh my goodness, I love it. Let's put it in the refrigerator, and I will probably leave it until tomorrow. I will see you guys tomorrow. This is it. Wow. I tell you one thing, I thought about this all night long, so I'm looking forward to cut a piece and try it. I think it's gonna be delicious. Okay, let's do it. Let's cut a piece of it and ooh, try it. Ooh, wow, look at this. This is awesome. That looks awesome. That looks perfect. Definitely beautiful. As you can see, it came out awesome. Look at the way it looks when we cut it. It's perfect. I think it came out super cool. Let's see what it tastes like. It's time for the taste. Let's do it. Oh my goodness, it's so nice and creamy. It's definitely beautiful. Wow. It's awesome. The taste of it, wow, it's so creamy and rich. It's very nice. This is good. You guys have to try it. This is awesome. Excellent. Thank you so much. Please don't forget to subscribe, to like, and share my video. God bless. Let's eat.